Welcome to my channel. In this video we will study how to earn from digital marketing. Freelancing. Offer your digital marketing services as a freelancer on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Services you can offer include social media management, content creation, SEO, email marketing, and ad campaigns. Starting a digital marketing agency. Start your own agency to help businesses grow their online presence through services like social media marketing, SEO, PPC advertising, email marketing, and content marketing. You can target local businesses or focus on a niche to differentiate yourself. Affiliate marketing. Promote other people's or company's products and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. You can create niche blogs, YouTube channels, or use social media to drive traffic and sales. 4. Content creation and blogging. Start a blog or YouTube channel around a niche you are passionate about, e.g., fashion, technology, or online money making. Monetize through Google AdSense, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. Selling digital products or courses. Create and sell digital products like ebooks, online courses, templates, or toolkits. 2. If you specialize in digital marketing, you can create courses around topics like SEO, social media marketing, or email marketing, and sell them on platforms like Udemy or your own website. 6. Email marketing. Build an email list around a particular niche and send out value-packed newsletters to your audience. You can promote affiliate products, paid content, or even offer consulting services through email campaigns. 7. Search engine optimization, SEO, consulting. Many businesses struggle with SEO, and you can help optimize their websites to rank higher on Google. Charge businesses for SEO audits, keyword research, and on-page, off-page optimization. 8. Running paid ad campaigns. 1. Offer your expertise in running Facebook, Instagram, Google, or LinkedIn ads to help businesses generate leads and sales. 2. You can charge based on performance, e.g., cost per lead, or charge a retainer fee. 9. Influencer marketing. Build a strong personal brand on social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. 2. Once you have a significant following, you can earn money through sponsored posts, brand collaborations, and affiliate marketing. 10. Affiliate network management. Join affiliate networks or work for brand to manage their affiliate marketing programs. You can help businesses connect with affiliates, optimize campaigns, and increase sales, earning a percentage of the sales generated. Thanks for watching my video.